it's me again. What's new? None. What I got here, I picked up some, I bought these a while ago, but I forgot my wife's van. Picked up these things. They're Wilkin Elite. Why did I buy them? Well, same size as these ones, but here's the, actually, let me see, are they the same size? This one seems bigger than the can. These are 4.5 inch. These are 4.5 inch. Yeah, same size. Actually, these ones are thicker. But these ones were on sale for promotion for 69 cents each. Can't go wrong. $6 and what, 98 cents to 4, 6, 8, 10 of them. I don't know how good they are. I don't know if they're any good. I've never heard of the company. I don't know. Made and packaged in China, so don't know where these ones made. DeWalt are made in Thailand. So are the ones in Thailand better or the ones in China better? Who knows? No idea, but I will find out. So anyway, picked them up cheap. Just a cheap tip. I picked up a few of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these. And my leftover empty can from last time. Why did I get 5? Because for the price of 5 in the US, I can buy 1 over here. They're $59. They were on sale for $8.99, those packs. And apparently I have a flap disc in here. So yeah, I'll put those in there. Yeah, these DeWalt things are $59 a pack in Canada. No, don't want them. So anyway, like, subscribe, tell me how you like my channel, and leave a good comment. Thanks for watching. Toodles.